Hello everyone, I have started lecture series on different subjects related to law, and I already have started on the Constitution of India. So in this continuance, my next lecture series will be on the subject, that is CPC, Civil Procedure Code 1908. The reason why I have picked this subject is that I am assistant professor and I have taught CPC for just one semester, and I love CPC. But the thing is, when I interacted with other students, I got to know that the problem with CPC is like students study this subject for one whole semester, they write exam, they get marks. But after that, if you ask what have you learned in CPC, many of the students, majority of them are like zero. They have they have learned it some to some extent, they have understood the subject, they have written the exam, maybe they have received good grades, but still they are not that aware about CPC. Okay, and they cannot what can I say, appreciate the subject. And this happened with me also. So even after learning CPC for one whole semester, I was like, what was there in CPC? My big question was this. So then I again started to read CPC by my own, and then slowly I started to practically implement CPC in the day-to-day procedure of court. And then at present I can say that I can really relate what CPC is there in the book to the practical aspect of CPC. So CPC is an interesting subject, and this is one of the most important subject which you should know before joining any practice. So in this subject we have many terms like interim order, restitution order, ex parte decree, difference between decree and judgment, order, and set off, counterclaim, written statement. There are many terms in this subject, and all the terms are different from each other. And if you are in a court and if somebody is saying that you have a restitution order, or if somebody is saying that there is this what can I say, there is preliminary decree only, just wait for the final decree. So you will be confused what all these things are. So topic by topic, concept by concept, section by section, order by order, we are going to decode CPC. And with this purpose, I am starting this next lecture series after the Constitution of India, that is Civil Procedure Code 1908. So in this lecture series, we will be discussing firstly, primarily, the Civil Procedure Code of 1908, and we will also discuss Limitation Act. Then we will, obviously during the discussion, we will discuss important and landmark case laws. We will connect rules and orders and sections, and yes, and I will also suggest some of the books which you can read to improve your knowledge or polish your knowledge in CPC. So yes, this will be pretty much in this series. So from the next lecture, I will start our discussion on CPC. Thank you so much.